Here's a simple step-by-step guide on how to create a PayPal account. First, open your browser and go to paypal.com. On the home page, click the button that says Sign Up for Free. PayPal starts the sign-up process by asking for your email address. Enter an email you use regularly because PayPal will send important verification messages here. After typing in your email, click Continue. Next, enter your mobile phone number. PayPal will send a 6-digit verification code. Type the code into the box to confirm your number and continue. Now create a strong password for your account. Then enter your first and last name. Make sure the information is correct, and then press Continue. Now enter your home address, including your city, state, and zip code. Check that everything is accurate, then click Agree and Create Account to complete your profile. Once your account is created, you can add a payment method. You can link a debit card for quick payments, or connect your bank account if you want to transfer money in and out of PayPal. Choose whichever option you prefer and follow the steps shown. Now open your email inbox. You'll see a message from PayPal. Click Confirm Email to activate your account and finish the setup. And that's it. Your PayPal account is now ready to use.